Bore da bawb, and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. I hope you're all well, and I hope you've all had a lovely week. It's been another quick week, but another challenging week for everybody. So thank you to everyone who's been trying their best and working hard and just doing what you can and when you can. We know you can't keep everything up all of the time. So just doing your best is all we ask for. So let's find out who our certificate winners are for this week. And just share my screen so you can see the certificates. There we go. Okay, hoping everyone can see that. You never quite know whether the technology is going to work, but fingers crossed. Okay, so welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. And just a reminder of our school motto: to be kind, be ambitious, and be the best you can be. And that's inside and outside of school. Remember to be kind to each other and to yourselves, be ambitious, and try your hardest, and be the best you can be. Because that's all we want from you. And remember, your best is different to somebody else's best, so don't compare yourself to others. Okay, so our first certificate this week, starting off with Dosbarth Coch in nursery reception. Our first certificate is for Cheyenne for a great effort with home learning this week. And it's been lovely to see all your videos and photos uploaded to your portfolio on Dojo. So Diane, Cheyenne. And then next of all, in Dosbarth Coch, we have a certificate for Olivia for a fabulous effort with home learning, spelling and numbers. You are a superstar, Olivia. And again, it's been so lovely to see your photos and videos and things uploaded to Dojo. So well done to both Cheyenne and Olivia in Dosbarth Coch. And then moving on to Dosbarth Oren, our first certificate is for Olivia O.C. for being an ambitious Anna and really trying her best in her reading, writing and maths. Good girl. We are really proud of you, Olivia. Keep it up. And then second of all, in Dosbarth Oren, we've got a certificate for Cadence for always being an ambitious Anna. She consistently takes part in online lessons, shares photos and videos, and is always happy and smiling on her live lessons. Good girl. We are super proud of you, Cadence. So well done to Olivia and Cadence in Dosbarth Oren. Keep it up, girls. Moving on to Dosbarth Melon, our first certificate is for Olivia M. Good week for Olivia's. So Olivia M has got a certificate for being an ambitious Anna and persevering with her work and working independently to practice her skills. Diane, Olivia. And again, you know I love that word perseverance and keeping on trying when things are hard. So that's lovely to hear. Well done, Olivia. And then second of all, in Dosbarth Melon, we've got a certificate for Ashton M for being an ambitious Anna, always joining in the live lessons and an improved effort this week to complete his task. Keep it up, Ashton. We are very, very proud of you. So down to Ashton and Olivia in Dosbarth Melon for your certificates this week, and well done to all of foundation phase. So moving on to our juniors, our first certificate in the juniors goes to Jensen B in Dosbarth Gwerth for trying so hard and engaging with his maths work. You're like an ambitious Anna, Jensen. We are so proud. Oh, sorry, read that again. Ambitious Anna will be proud of you, as are we, Jensen. Well done, and keep up the good work. Diane, Jensen. And then next of all, in Dosbarth Gwerth, we've got a certificate for Molly F for always being an absolute superstar with her home learning. She works hard every week and is behaving like ambitious Anna. Great mathletics score this week too. Amazing. So Diane, Molly, Diane, Jensen in Dosbarth Gwerth. Moving on to Dosbarth Dosbarth Glas in Blwyddyn Pedwar, Year 4. Our first certificate is for Chloe Lee L for working so hard with all your tasks, showing determination and perseverance, and for having such a big smile. We are so proud of you, Diane, Chloe. And again, that word perseverance and also the word determination. Lovely, lovely reason for a certificate, Diane, Chloe. And then next of all, in Dosbarth Glas, we have a certificate for Lowen W for showing perseverance and determination with all of your tasks and for working so hard. We are so proud of you, Lowen. And again, we see in those lovely words, perseverance and determination. And we are all having to be determined and persevere at the moment in these challenging circumstances. So it's so lovely to read that. So Diane to Chloe and Diane to Lowen in Dosbarth Glas for your certificates this week. And then moving on to Dosbarth Porthor, our first certificate is for Molly S for trying her very best with her maths work this week, showing true perseverance and hard work, which are our values. You are an ambitious Anna. Well done, Molly. And again, yeah, like Mr. Phillips and Mrs. O'Connor said in your certificate, our value for this half term, or our focus value for this half term, is hard work and effort. And you are truly, truly showing that every single day. So keep it up. We are very proud of you. And then second of all, in Dosbarth Porthor, we've got a certificate for Lewis L. for participation in the Welsh live lesson and working hard to produce good verb-person sentences in literacy warm-up. Sounds very interesting. Diane Lewis, you are an ambitious Anna, and that's so lovely to read. So keep that up, Lewis. I'm really, really proud of both you and Molly in Dosbarth Porthor for your certificates this week. And then moving on to Dosbarth Enfys, our first certificate is for Kai S. for a huge effort to engage with learning from home and take part in the live lessons. You really have worked hard and been an ambitious Anna. Well done, Kai. That's fantastic. What a lovely certificate to read. And then second of all, in Dosbarth Enfys, we've got a certificate for Megan P. for continuing to try your best and attending the live lessons. You have been an ambitious Anna, asking questions and trying things even when they have been challenging. So that's lovely to read, Megan. It's really good to hear you pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and into your stretch zone to really challenge yourself, because that's where you'll grow the most. So fantastic. Diane Megan, Diane Kai in Dosbarth Enfys for your certificates. And then we have lots of Mathletics certificates this week. So our first Mathletics certificates this week go to Dosbarth Melyn. So we've got a certificate for Alex, Jersey, Taryn, Elliot and LJ, who have all earned their bronze awards this week. So Diane, guys. And then moving on to Dosbarth Gwerth, year 3, lots of bronze certificates this week. So Diane, Dosbarth Gwerth. First goes to Alanis, and then Jaden, Maisie, Jace, Molly, Ella May, Lily, Xavier, and Toby, Alfie, and Tia. Wow, what a list! And a big well done to our top scorers this week, with Molly with 3,850. Wow. And also to Ella May, who was the top scorer with 4,760. Goodness me, you guys have been working hard. Keep it up. And then Dosbarth Glass, you've got a certificate for Chloe Lee, Lily May, Megan, Holly, and Charlie, who also have earned their bronze awards. So Diane, guys. And then in Dosbarth Porthor, we've got a certificate for Mason H. So well done, Mason, leading the way in your class. And also to Poppy in Dosbarth Enfys, also leading the way. So I think we need to see a bit more effort on Mathletics from Dosbarth Porthor and Dosbarth Enfys. See how we can get their awards next week. And don't forget, keep working hard for your bronze, not for your bronze, sorry, for your silver and your gold. Because the more bronze you get, the more silver you get, the more silver you get, you aim for your gold. And then our silver Mathletics award winners this week. First goes to Tia in 3 in Dosbarth Gwerth, Tia, Toby, and Alfie in Dosbarth Gwerth. Well done, guys. You've earned your silver award this week. And then also to Lily May in Dosbarth Glass with 5,090 points. Goodness gracious me. Well done to all of our Mathletics certificate winners. Let's see if we can have even more next week. Let's see if we can beat Dosbarth Gwerth. Look at those. They're smashing it, fair play. So let's see if the other classes can get just as many as Dosbarth Gwerth. Okay, and then moving on to our Head Teachers Awards this week. First one goes to Ava J in Dosbarth Oren for displaying our score value of hard work and effort consistently. Well done, Ava. It's a pleasure to see all your lovely work on Dojo and all your videos, and I can see how hard you're working, so keep it up. We are very, very proud of you. And then second of all, our next award goes to Seth in Dosbarth Glass for also displaying our score value of hard work and effort consistently. And again, Seth, it's a pleasure to see all your photos and videos on Dojo, so keep up the hard work. We know how difficult things are at the moment for everybody, and you are absolutely smashing it, so well done. And then also to Millie J in Dosbarth Porthor, also for the same reason, for displaying our value of hard work and effort consistently. We are so proud of how you're engaging with your home learning and in such challenging circumstances, so well done, Millie. And then last but by no means least, a Head Teachers Award for Isabel M in Dosbarth Enfys for finding new ways to upload work on Classroom and sharing this with the whole class. Diolch, well done, Isabel. It's lovely to hear you looking for different solutions to different things, and not just doing that on your own, but sharing it as well. So well done, Isabel. What a lovely reason for a certificate. And strangely this week, we've got no birthdays. We haven't got any birthdays now until next week. So happy birthday to any mums and dads or grands and granddads who have had birthdays this week. So we haven't got any in school, which was strange when I looked at the list this morning. So let me just stop sharing that. So it's Friday today, boys and girls. One more day of hard work now before we hit the weekend. So make sure you find time to rest this weekend. Find time to look after yourselves. Find time to move away from a screen. Go for a walk, get some fresh air, and just enjoy doing things that don't involve looking at a screen in any way, shape, or form. So have a lovely, lovely weekend. Stay safe, and I shall see you next week. Bye, everyone.